Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you get notified when my next easy way tutorial is out. Today I'm going to show you one cool feature, and it's called Slide to Shutdown. So this is what it looks like. Now you slide this down and your PC will shut down. I will not do this now. So to do this, right click on desktop and create new shortcut. Here you will paste a directory path that you can find in the video description. Paste it and select next. You can call it wherever you want and select finish. And now we will add icon. So right click and select properties and change icon. Select OK and choose whatever icon you want. OK and apply. And that's it for this video. If you find it useful, please like it, and I see you in my next video.